The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood warning for western Orland County in western New York, northern Wyoming County in western New York, Niagara County in western New York, northeastern Erie County in western New York, western Genesee County in western New York, until 11:15 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., satellite estimates and rain gauges indicate there's heavy rain falling across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Buffalo, Amherst, Chickawaga, Niagara Falls, West Seneca, North Tonawanda, Grand Island, and Lockport. Aggressive rainfall over the warned area will cause mudslides and misty terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials.